What if I told you that the way you pump gas, the type of fuel you buy, and even the time of day you fill up could be quietly draining your wallet and damaging your car? For decades, drivers have been passing down so-called gas-saving tips, like family secrets, except most of them are flat out wrong. And some, they can actually cost you hundreds of dollars a year or even shorten your engine's life. Today, we're busting the biggest gas myths drivers still believe. And I promise, you've probably fallen for at least one. Stick around, because myth number 4 is something 70% of drivers admit to doing, and it's slowly killing their fuel system. Why gas myths are so persistent. Gasoline has always been expensive and confusing. There are different octanes, seasonal blends, ethanol contents, and endless advice on how to get the most bang for your buck. Psychologically, people want control over something they can't see, fuel economy. That's why myths spread, because they feel true, even when they're wrong. Today we'll separate fact from fiction using data from the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, and decades of experience from ASE certified mechanics. Myth number 1, filling up in the morning gives you more gas. The myth. Fuel is denser when it's cold, so filling up in the morning gets you more gas for your money. The truth. Gas stations store fuel underground, where the temperature is stable, often around 55 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. Whether it's 6 a.m. or 3 p.m., the density of fuel pumped into your car is virtually the same. You're not saving a dime by filling up early. Expert insight. Instead of focusing on time of day, focus on keeping your tank above 1/4 full to protect your fuel pump from overheating. Myth number 2, premium gas cleans your engine better. The myth, premium fuel has more detergents and is better for your car, even if it doesn't require it. The truth, all gasoline sold in the US already contains detergents mandated by the EPA. Premium fuel only has a higher octane rating, which prevents knocking in high compression or turbocharged engines. Using it in a car designed for regular fuel, you're wasting money. Expert insight. A 2022 ALA study found no measurable performance or efficiency gains in vehicles designed for regular fuel when filled with premium. Myth number 3, topping off your tank after the nozzle clicks. The myth. Round it up to the nearest dollar, or squeeze in more gas after the pump shuts off. You'll get a fuller tank. The truth, modern fuel systems have vapor recovery systems to prevent spillage and evaporative emissions. Topping off can flood the charcoal canister, leading to expensive repairs, often $400 to $700. Expert insight. When the pump clicks, stop pumping. That's the safest and most cost-effective approach. Myth number 4. Running on empty saves money because you're lighter. The myth. Less fuel means less weight, which means better fuel economy. The truth. The difference in fuel economy from carrying a full versus nearly empty tank is negligible, maybe 0.1 to 0.2 miles per gallon at best. Running on empty, however, overheats the fuel pump because fuel acts as a coolant. A $600 to $1,200 fuel pump replacement wipes out any savings. Expert insight. Keep your tank at least 1/4 full. It's safer and protects expensive components. Myth number 5. Using add-on fuel magnets or fuel ionizers saves gas. The myth. These devices claim to align fuel molecules for better combustion. The truth. Every independent test, including those by the US Federal Trade Commission, FTC, shows these are scams. They do nothing measurable for fuel economy or performance. Expert insight. If a product promises 20% better mileage without changing your driving habits, it's probably a scam. Myth number 6. Rolling down windows is always more efficient than AC. The myth. Turning off AC and opening windows saves gas no matter what. The truth. At low speeds, yes. Windows down is more efficient, but at highway speeds, open windows increase aerodynamic drag, which can reduce fuel economy by up to 10%. Modern AC systems are far more efficient than they were 20 years ago. Expert insight. In city driving, use windows. On the highway, use AC sparingly and keep windows up for best efficiency. Why drivers? Keep believing these myths. It comes down to human psychology. Drivers feel like small hacks. Fill up early, top off, run on empty. Give them control over fluctuating gas prices. Even when presented with data, habits are hard to break because they've been passed down for generations. In the next section, we'll cover the myth about higher octane fuel boosting horsepower in the wrong car. Whether cheap gas from no-name stations really harms your engine. If idling to warm up your car in winter is saving or wasting fuel. And the real proven tricks to save money at the pump. No gimmicks required. Myth number 7, higher octane fuel equals more horsepower in any car. The myth, using mid-grade or premium fuel in a regular engine gives you extra horsepower and better acceleration. The truth, octane measures a fuel's resistance to knocking, not its energy content. Unless your engine is designed to take advantage of higher compression or advanced timing, like turbocharged or high-performance engines, you gain nothing. Expert insight. According to the American Automobile Association, AAA, regular engines running premium fuel showed no significant horsepower increase or fuel efficiency improvement compared to running regular grade fuel. Myth number 8. Cheap gas from no-name stations damages engines. The myth. Only big brand gas stations provide clean fuel, while cheaper off-brand stations have poor quality fuel that harms engines. The truth. All gasoline sold in the US and most developed countries must meet strict government quality and detergent standards. Smaller stations often buy fuel from the exact same refineries as big-name brands. Expert insight. The real difference is in additive packages. Top-tier certified fuels, offered by some but not all brands, have extra detergents proven to reduce carbon buildup. However, using non-top-tier gas occasionally won't damage your engine. Just don't wait 100,000 miles to clean your intake valves if you own a direct injection car. Myth number 9. Warming up your car by idling saves gas and protects the engine. The myth. Letting your car idle for 5 to 10 minutes before driving on cold mornings saves fuel and prolongs engine life. The truth. Modern engines are designed to warm up faster when driving, not idling. Idling longer than 30 to 60 seconds wastes fuel and causes unnecessary emissions. Extended idling can even wash unburned fuel into the oil, diluting it over time. Expert insight. Start the engine, wait 30 seconds to ensure oil is circulating, then drive gently until it reaches operating temperature. That's what every major automaker now recommends. Myth number 10. Keeping tires overinflated improves gas mileage. The myth. Pumping your tires 5 to 10 psi over the recommended level reduces rolling resistance and saves gas. The truth. While overinflation slightly reduces rolling resistance, it dramatically reduces traction and increases tire wear in the center tread. Any tiny MPG gain is offset by faster tire replacement costs. Expert insight. Keep tires inflated to the automaker's recommended PSI found on the driver's door jamb. Proper inflation can improve fuel economy by up to 3% while maintaining safety and tire life. Myth number 11. Fuel additives. Every tank improve mileage. The myth. Pouring a bottle of fuel additive into every tank cleans your engine and boosts MPG. The truth. Most fuel additives sold at gas stations are unnecessary if you use quality gasoline. Modern fuels already have detergents to prevent deposit buildup. Overuse of cheap additives can even harm sensors or clog injectors. Expert insight. Use PEA-based fuel system cleaners like Techron only as needed, about every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, not every fill-up. Real proven ways to save on gas, no myths. Now that we've destroyed the common myths, here are strategies proven by data and experts. Drive smoothly. Avoid rapid acceleration and hard braking. Aggressive driving can reduce fuel economy by 15 to 30% on highways. Keep tires properly inflated. As mentioned, this is a simple way to maintain efficiency and tire longevity. Remove excess weight. An extra 100 pounds can reduce MPG by up to 1%. Use cruise control on highways. This maintains a consistent speed, reducing fuel waste from constant acceleration. Avoid unnecessary idling. Shut off the engine if you'll be parked more than 1 minute, except in traffic. Combine trips. A warm engine uses fuel more efficiently, so combine errands instead of multiple cold starts. Keep up with maintenance. A dirty air filter, worn spark plugs, or old oil can reduce fuel economy by 5 to 10%. Psychological takeaway: why myths are dangerous. Gas myths give people a false sense of control. Believing you're saving money with these tricks often distracts from what actually works. Worse, some myths, like running on empty or overinflating tires, can shorten component life, leading to repairs worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. When gas prices are high, the temptation to believe secret hacks is even stronger. But as one EPA engineer put it, the best gas-saving device is between the steering wheel and the seat. It's the driver. Real-world example. A rideshare driver used premium gas thinking it would clean the engine better and improve MPG. After 3 months, he tracked his mileage and costs. 0 MPG improvement, but hundreds of dollars spent unnecessarily. When he switched back to regular, his expenses dropped immediately with no difference in performance. Your challenge: think back to your driving habits. Have you believed any of these myths? Do you top off your tank? Do you run on empty thinking you're saving weight? Do you still let your car idle for long warm-ups? Comment below. Which myth surprised you the most? Your experience might help another driver break a bad habit and save money. Gasoline myths are everywhere, but knowledge is power. Instead of wasting time and money on gimmicks, focus on proven methods, smooth driving, regular maintenance, and using the right fuel for your vehicle. That's how you protect your wallet and your car.